If you use GoDaddy email and want every message to look more professional, adding a signature is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a signature in GoDaddy email step by step, so you can include your name, business details, website, or any contact information you want to appear automatically in your emails. This is a quick setup, and once it's done, you won't have to type your signature manually every single time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to GoDaddy in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to My Products. This is where all of your GoDaddy services are listed, including hosting and email tools. Now look for your web hosting section and click Manage. After that, open cPanel Admin. Inside cPanel, you'll find the tools that control your hosting and email settings. Next, go to Email and then click Email Accounts. This is where all the email addresses connected to your domain are managed. Find the email account you want to customize and then click Check Email beside it. That will take you into your Webmail options. From the available Webmail clients, open Roundcube Webmail. Roundcube is where you can update your email identity settings and add your signature. Once Roundcube loads, click Settings. In the Settings area, look for Identities and click on it. This section lets you edit the information that appears when you send emails from that mailbox. Now select your email identity from the list. This is important because the signature has to be added to the correct email identity. After selecting it, you'll see a signature box. Click into that box and type the signature you want to use. You can keep it simple with your name and job title, or make it more detailed by adding your company name, phone number, website, or a short professional message. If your email client allows formatting, you may also be able to style the text so it looks cleaner and more branded. Take a moment to make sure everything is spelled correctly and formatted the way you want it. When you're happy with the signature, click Save. That's the final step, and once you save it, your GoDaddy email signature will be ready to use. From now on, whenever you send an email from that account, your signature should appear automatically, helping your messages look polished and professional. And that's how to add a signature in GoDaddy email. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference in how your emails look to clients, customers, and contacts. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.